Day by day, modern living is getting stranger, and in such a broken society of disconnected generations, it helps immensely when grandparents are around. Grandparents are considered as stress busters and supporters. Research says that children find their relationships with grandparents as special, and this benefits them emotionally and mentally. Grandparents can be a strong support during family fights. They narrate stories and share family and cultural traditions. They are in a unique position to show limits and lessons while also listening, wiping away the tears of their grandchildren. Grandparents are generally the best storytellers. They are from a different time period, with more silence and with more wisdom. Children like to hear these stories as they come to know who they are and where they belong. They offer a lifetime of knowledge that they are always keen and ready to share. Grandparents pass on family history in an impartial way as their little ones grow. Research has confirmed that children grow up feeling more secure, safe, and wanted. So they have an easier time dealing with adverse life events when a grandparent is regularly involved in their care. Children with more adults in their lives who show them unconditional love tend to feel more valued and happy. Generally, children prefer going to grandparents for advice rather than their parents. Grandparents are known to be like a soft security blanket. They are trusted and provide great emotional support. They are also tremendously comforting with their physical affection and even with the way that they are present in a grandchild's life. Grandparents are committed to their grandchildren and spend time together, express appreciation, communicate well, display religious involvement, and solve their problems. These investments are generally not extravagant and do not involve buying costly things. When parents are unwilling or unable to provide adequate care for their children, example financial troubles, marriage problems, illness, or death, grandparents often take on the caring role. In traditional cultures, grandparents often had a clear role in the raising, care, and nurture of children. In the world today, the role of grandparents is changing as they are becoming increasingly involved in childcare. As more mothers are working outside their homes, other caregivers need to be present to care for the children. The degree of grandparent involvement varies and depends on the society and the social welfare policies. Grandparents are very vital in a child's development. Some of them provide actual support like picking up grandchildren from school or feeding them, but they also offer an emotional connection. Grandparents protect children from being affected by negative circumstances such as bad parenting, poor economic conditions, and single parent families. They also help grandchildren with their schoolwork or teach them values that are crucial for a healthy society. Research has confirmed that children who have a close relationship with their grandparents tend to have better behavior and experience lesser emotional problems. Taking care of grandchildren helps elder grandparents maintain their mental capacity. They are also less likely to develop diseases such as dementia. Constant interactions with their grandchildren reduces the cognitive aging process, allowing them a chance to live a more vibrant and active life. They also get the benefits of physically exercising more during this process. While taking care of grandchildren, many grandparents start to feel a sense of purpose and meaning in life again after their retirement. Their ties with their adult children are also strengthened in the process. Many grandparents also think of the caregiving experience as positive because it provides them another chance to make up for mistakes that they made with their own children and give them more opportunities to educate their grandchildren and improve their parenting styles. Grandmothers and grandfathers are truly grand, and this is the whole truth. So, what do you think? Actually, it is the time to act rather than think. So, what are you waiting for? Ask the grandpas and grandmas of your children to stay with you and be a part of your family. You may not need your parents, but your children will be better human beings if they are with them always. Some of the most severe and major problems that parents face regarding raising their children will get dissolved. For a healthy, strong, and happy society, grandparents need to be brought back home from wherever they are if they have gone away.